Hi, welcome to our first lesson in the series of programming. I'm Daniel Kalowe, a programmer. So, for the record, let me introduce you to some of the programming languages that I've come across, or those that I know. I know C++, the one that we're going to interact with today. Then I know Python programming, I know Ruby on Rails programming, and also on the side of web designing, I know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also, since I'm able to design systems, I'm also capable of writing PHP as well as SQL, because I'm able to do databases or so. Now, C++, one of the earliest programming languages that I was introduced to, is the one that I'm going to show you today. Now, I've duplicated a program for Airtel, which uses the SSD code *117#, the one that we use when we're purchasing minutes as well as data bundles here in Zambia. So this is the one that I'm going to show you, which is a menu-driven program or menu-driven software. All right, let me just take you through the code. Since this is when I just started working on it, I haven't even gone quarter way of it. All right, so because it's we need to write hundreds, if not thousands, of codes just to get this work done. All right, since I'm using procedural programming where I'm just relying on the functions, so I've just used two functions. So this is the programmer defined function. All right, that's my function, that's why it's called void, and it has my label decodes. All right, then there's also a main function here. All right, so this is the main function. Now in this main function, there's only one line of code, which is function calling. It's just calling the function that we have already defined and written codes. Then here we're just calling it so that it can actually run. All right, now let me show you the power of this code. If I have to remove it, I compile this program and try to run it. You see that nothing pops up. All right, because we don't have any line of code calling the function that we've already defined. So let me just bring it back, code it. All right, and then you see this program pops up. All right, so this is a menu driven program, and it looks exactly as if you've just pressed on your phone. Let me just press 1, enter, and you could see that this pops up and we have our menu just like that. Thank you so much. See you on the other side.